Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for XTool P2. Now that we've confirmed the laser beam passes through the first optical hole properly, let's move on to the second optical path test and calibration. Stick a piece of masking tape on the second optical path hole. Press the tape in to outline the hole. Click Next and put the lid down. Click Pulse. Open the lid. Check the mark left by the laser beam on the masking tape. If the mark is near the center of the hole outline, the laser beam passes through the second optical path hole properly, and no calibration is required. If a mark is left but deviates from the center, you'll need to adjust the screws on the first mirror holder. If you don't see any mark on the tape, try clicking Pulse a few more times. If still no mark left, it indicates a serious deviation in the path. In this case, before proceeding with the calibration, move the guide rail inward to further confirm the direction of deviation. This video will provide an example of mirror calibration, when the optical path deviates significantly and leaves no mark on the tape. First, move the guide rail inward to retest and confirm the direction of deviation. Click Can't see any marks? Then click Move guide rail inward a few more times, to move the guide rail to the middle. Click OK. Stick a piece of masking tape and press it in to outline the hole. Put the lid down. Click Pulse. Open the lid. Check the mark on the masking tape. If no mark left, keep moving the guide rail inward, and retest until the laser burns a mark on the tape. Once the laser burns a mark on the tape, proceed to the next step. This video provides an example of calibration when the mark deviates towards the lower right. Click Lower Right. And then click Next. Use the hex key to loosen the 3 screws on the mirror holder. If the screws are tight, heat them with a hair dryer before attempting to loosen them. Then click Next. Turn the upper left screw about 45 degrees clockwise with the screwdriver. If the deviation is slight, the angle that needs adjustment can be reduced accordingly. Remove the used piece of tape. Stick a new piece and press it in to outline the hole. Put the lid down. Click Pulse and open the lid. Check the mark and select the actual state. Note, you may need to repeat the previous steps several times until a mark is left in the center of the hole outline on the masking tape. Adjust the angle gradually based on each pulse result to bring the mark closer to the center. Once the mark is left around the center of the second optical path hole, click Center and then Next. Check if the guide rail is next to the front plate. If not, click Not in the most outward position. This video serves as an example of when the guide rail is not in the outermost position. Click to move the guide rail outward. Currently, we need to retest to ensure that the laser beam still passes through the center of the hole outline properly. If not, select the actual state and repeat the previous steps until the mark is at the center. Then tighten the 3 screws around the mirror. Click Center and then Next. Click in the most outward position to complete the calibration. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the XTool support team if you have any questions.